Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make a reel on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to make a reel on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and after opening your Instagram app, in order to create a reel or make a reel guys, at the bottom of the screen you can see there is a plus sign available for us. Tap on that plus sign at the bottom middle of the screen, and on this section guys, we are on the reel section guys. You can also see there is the story, post and the live section available for us. Now in order to create a reel, just let's be on the reel. Either you can post a video from a gallery, whichever you like, and after that you could edit it, or you could just make a video. So we'll be just making a video of maybe 3 seconds long. So let's go to the camera and let's create a reel of Kens. And over here guys, after that you can do many type of edit. Also you can add the audio, you can see that you can add music from over here, you can search music, and after that you can do some editing over here. You can also tap on the effects available for us. You can see there are a lot of effects, trending effects, the trending and the reels effects. You can see guys, there are appearances available for your reel over here. You can check these out, and you will if you find them good for you, you can just use them. And after that you can see guys, you can also choose the timing over here. Now after doing all of that, you can choose your video layout. You can see guys, if you tap on it, there is an option for types of video layouts available for us. You can do reshooting over here, and let's go back. You can speed up your video from over here. You can see you can green screen your video. And after doing all of these editing, tap on the next button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and let's pause this. Now from over here again, you can add some text over here. You can see text styles over here. Hello, we'll be typing with this one text style, and done. You can choose the color over here guys. You can see there are a lot of colors available for us. And after that guys, you can also tap and over here to add some stickers according to you. If you want to add some captions, you can see guys, a lot of things are available over here. And with that being said guys, after doing all of these edits, you can just simply tap on the next. You can also edit your video guys. You can see, let's pause this guys. You can see we can edit our video. You can add some audios from over here. You can enhance it. And with that being done guys, you can check out the options at the bottom of the screen. You can see there is the edit, add audio, add text, clip up, add sticker, voiceovers, volume, filters. There are a lot of options. You can go to each of those according to your niche, according to the requirement of your video. And after doing all of these edits, tap on the top right corner of the screen. There is the arrow on the blue, and you can see guys, you will be able to share your reel from over here. You can choose your customizations over here. You can tap to add locations. And with that being done guys, after tapping on next, this will be posted. And this is how you make a reel on Instagram. And there guys, this is how to make a reel on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.